The origin of testicular oligospermia is due to alterations in the testicles that affect the process of spermatogenesis. For this reason, it is a secretory type of oligospermia, since there are no problems with ejaculating the semen, but rather with the production of the spermatozoa. Among the most frequent testicular causes we can mention cryptorchidism. Testicles do not descend into the scrotum and their temperature is not adequate. Hydrocele. Excessive accumulation of fluid within the spermatic cord structure. Varicocele. A dilation of the veins in the spermatic cord. Orchitis, inflammation of the testicle due to infection. Blows or trauma that directly affect the genitals. And genetic alterations such as microdeletions of the Y chromosome. Surgery can resolve some of these conditions, which can re-establish some or all of the lost fertility. Is the case of cryptorchidism, varicocele, or hydrocele. A sign that we encounter in oligospermia resulting from testicular causes is a high level of FSH. This is because FSH is the hormone responsible for stimulating the testicle in order to produce the sperm. Because this stimulation isn't working, the FSH level increases in an attempt to make the testicle react to the signal.